Hey friends, we're getting ready for our state assessment this week, and I wanted to do a quick review of division with you. So let's take a look at this problem. So the PS249 auditorium has a total of 528 seats that are organized into 3 sections. How many seats are in each section? So I'm closely reading the problem, and I want to organize my facts. I know that there is 528 seats. That is my total. So I'm just going to write total 528, and I know that there's 3 sections, and I'm finding out the number of seats in each section. Number of seats is what I'm finding out. Just going to circle that because that's what I'm looking for. All right, let's set up our long division. 528 divided by 3. Okay, so I know I'm making groups of 3, and my first digit here is a 5. 3 times 1 is equal to 3, and 3 times 2 is equal to 6. If I have 5, I can only make one group of 3, so I'm going to put that group right up here. After I make one group of 3, that means I used up 3 of those 5s. So 5 minus 3 is going to give me a remainder of 2. First I divide, I multiply, I subtract, now bring it down. Just sing your song if you can't remember the steps. So now I'm going to continue listing my multiples because I have a 22. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. I'm going to keep going. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. And 3 times 7 is 21. So the goal is to get to close to 22, the closest that you can get to it without going over. 3 times 8 is 24. Oh, went over it. So that means I can only make 7 groups. So I'm going to put the 7 up here. Okay. So now 3 times 7, that means I used up 21 of those 22 that I had at first. So 22 minus 21, I'm going to get a remainder of 1. Bring down the 8. Okay, so now I have 18. I'm going to look at my multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Oh, I can make a certain number of groups of 3 with this 18. An exact number would be 6, putting that up there. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 18, I'm going to get no remainder. There's no more numbers to bring down. So I get an answer of 176. Okay, I know that it's important to check my work, so I'm just going to write check, and I'm going to multiply my quotient, 176 times 3, and it should give me 528. All right, so 3 times 6, I already did that over here. 3 times 6 gives me 18, so I'm going to put the 8 down and regroup over the 1. Just going to do a different color so you guys can see it, and I am going to circle the 1. Okay. So now 3 times 7, that gave me 21, but now I have to add that 1 that I regrouped. So 21 plus 1, that gives me 22. Put the 2 down, regroup the other 2, and again, circle it. So just to remind yourself, they have to add it. Okay, so let's multiply. 3 times 1 gives me 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I get 528. That matches up with the number I started with, so I know that my quotient is correct.